Birds are well known for their mastery of the skies. Using their wings, they maneuver effortlessly and acrobatically through their environment. While it is true that birds are often seen moving through the air, many traverse the earth just like us, using their own 2 feet. Since birds are so diverse, each species might use their feet for something different. Some cling to branches in between flights, while others spend their entire life walking along the ground. The challenges that each bird faces influences how its feet will be used, whether it's the adorable fluffy feet of these white-tailed ptarmigans that they use to keep warm, or wide and muscular feet that these orange-footed scrub owls use to dig through the dense soil as they forage. One of the most common challenges that birds encounter is clinging onto trees and other objects in their environment. Birds that are very good at this tend to have what are called zygodactyl feet. That means that they have 2 toes that point forward and 2 toes that point back. This toe configuration is great for clinging onto vertical surfaces or hanging upside down. However, it means that they have a harder time moving along the ground. Some groups of birds take advantage of their zygodactyl feet by using them to manipulate objects, like this crimson rosella that's feeding on a breadstick. Some birds are particularly adept at holding on to branches for long periods of time as they patiently watch for prey. Kingfishers are one such group. Kingfishers have syndactyl feet, meaning 2 of their front toes are partially fused together. This gives them additional stability and endurance while holding onto the wet branches in the wetland habitats that they love so dearly. Finally, we have the most common foot type of all, anisodactyl. Anisodactyl birds have 3 toes that point forward and 1 toe that points back. This versatile foot type allows anisodactyl birds to move just as easily across branches and shrubs as they do across the ground. Anisodactyl feet are so useful, they're found in tons of other groups of birds as well. Falcons use their anisodactyl feet to catch fast-moving prey, and herons use them to stir up fish hiding at the bottom of ponds. I hope this video has taught you something and helps you appreciate the often overlooked diversity of bird feet.